If you're struggling with staying on track, we call them throwing spanners into the works. There are 3 things that you can do with project management. You should have weekly whips, absolutely, on your most important projects. So you should have one on your business as usual, then your important key projects that you need to move forward in that quarter. And then you need to have a daily stand-up, which just goes 15 minutes and everybody runs through what we call the Ivy Lee 6, the 6 things that they want to achieve that day. And then the final thing that you should do is have your monthly strategy meetings. So that is to take stock on any major projects that you have going on. For marketing specifically, you want to talk about what happened this month, what's happening next month, how you're going to start moving towards your goals if you haven't hit KPIs and things like that. So how would you pivot? And then set the project plan in place. You should absolutely, definitely, on top of all of this stuff, use Trello or some kind of project management tool.